So like why you started, in a sense, like how you started, what age you started, and what made you to start this gym or whatever it might be, fitness industry?
As from childhood, I am very much passionate about the bodybuilding and fitness. So after completing my schooling, I have joined a gym. In intermediate, I have joined a gym. There was a local gym in my area, so I have started there. I am very much regular and very much passionate in that time. So I went regularly, and my body is giving a very good response in that age only. As after 15 years, as I have completed 10, so my body was giving a very good response in that. So according to that, I have started. I have done continuously for the 2 years exercise, and I have a little good body in that age only. And after that, I'm very much passionate to do as a training job. So in that days also, I was not focusing on money. Money is secondary for me. Like I want to do a job, training job. So that time I used to travel from Banjarels to Gachibowli. There was a new gym, Target Fitness, like that. So I used to give a training over there, morning and evening.
At the age of 17,
At the age of 16, 17.
16, 17 only you became a trainer.
Yeah, I become a trainer.
Okay.
Trainer, without any knowledge, I become a trainer. As I know the basic things.
Okay.
Basic things like little aware of cardio and little flow and little weight training and all. So in that time, I used to get 5,000 something. Sometime my boss used to give me 6,000. Sometime he used to give me 5,000. But I am okay, very much okay with that money also. Slowly, I was continue that job only, and I have started growing little up. Like my salary hiked to 8 to 10,000. And basically, I am a mechanical engineer.
Okay.
So I have chosen an engineering field, and in that also I did not got any suggestion, as I am the only person in my family, relatives, everyone, engineer. That time engineer is like a very respectable and valuable person. Engineering kar raha ye. Engineering. Mechanical engineering is like you will get the 2 horns if you are doing a mechanical engineering, means that is a BAP of engineering, what we call. But there is a zero knowledge. बस पढ़ लिए, इंजीनियर बन गए, then struggle start हो गया.
So in a sense, like you started your as a trainer at the age of 16 or 17. So till you completed your engineering. In the meanwhile, you used to work as a trainer. So in a sense, like you're having an experience of approximately 10 years in between, right? As a trainer.
Presently, 10 plus years of experience I have in this field.
Okay.
That time I used to, in engineering we won't go to college seriously. Like weekly 2 times if you go, that is a very good enough. On exam time only we used to study. That time I used to do a evening job from 4:30 to 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Evening. That also I used to get a handsome good. That is used for my as a pocket money, as I am the only son to my parents. That time they did not force me to do any kind of job. That is, I am very much passionate. I want to do something. I want to prove myself. So I have started journey there. And in that period also, like a trainer means, as gym owner, what they won't treat them in a good way. Trainer means they should not sit on machines, bench. They have to stand straight. They have to look at the clients only. If no client also there, they have to stand on the floor only.
Okay.
They should not sit. The treatment was not good in that age also, in that period also. After engineering, I thought to quit the job of training and do something. Why? Because my father used to ask, you done engineering. My friends' sons are doing after engineering, they are getting an IT job and they are earning a good amount of money. They are earning 50,000, 60,000, 80,000. As every father will think about that. As the same way, my father also started thinking, तू engineering करके बेटा तू फिर training की job दे रहा भाई, और इसमें कुछ salary भी नहीं है. Why? Because that time general trainer, what salary will get? Without any knowledge, how will get a good amount of salaries, and that much I don't have that much knowledge also regarding the fitness and all.
So how you started? Like at what age? Like what made you to start your own gym?
After I have worked in 5 to 6 gyms, very sincerely, very hard work. Even I used to go on time also. I have given a good sale sale response also. Not only apart from training, my relation, client relation also very good. And I am giving a lakhs of business to my owners, gym owners, and but recently what happened in the 2016 year end, what happened? I used to work in a gym. I don't want to say that gym name, but it's a good gym. There used to come celebrities and all that in that gym. There was a new lady manager was there. I came. She was asking my mobile to check it out what relation I am maintaining with clients.
Okay.
So that she is asking my mobile and she want to read my personal messages. I don't like that one. And even that time also, I am not doing job for the salary purpose. I am very much passionate. I don't care about money in that period also. So I love the job what I am doing. But her treatment was not good with me. So that time I even did not take my salary that month. Month end was there. I did not take in the salary. I left that gym. I don't want to work here. They call me 3 to 4 times. Please come, you can rejoin your job. But my decision was the final decision. And that manager lady make me to take a step.
So by this way, we can say that everything happens for a reason.
Yeah, and I am, my dream was there to set up my own gym. But this is like a accidental. I was not prepared, but my focus and what I admire was to keep my gym. And finally I thought अब तो जॉब नहीं करूँगा, अब जॉब ट्रेनिंग की जॉब नहीं करूँगा, खुद का जिम डालूँगा, उसके अंदर जॉब करूँगा. तो मी एंड माई ब्रदर अजहर हैव डिसाइडेड चल भाई जिम डालते हैं. एंड वी डोंट नो द एस्टिमेशन ऑल्सो, वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग, वी डोंट नो, वी ओनली नोज द ट्रेनिंग. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग. If you are running a business, you need to know what is the management and what is the other source, maintenance and all that one. As now we started to search a place. कहाँ पे कौन से एरिया में जिम डाले तो अच्छा चलेगा. बट मेरी ज़िद थी कि मैं जहाँ जॉब करा वहीं डालूँगा जिम, वही एरिया में डालूँगा. देन वो ज़िद मेरी सक्सेस हुई. और मेरा जो लैंडलॉर्ड, जो बिल्डिंग ओनर था, फर्स्ट तो वो रिजेक्ट करे कि जिम के लिए नहीं, पीपल विल वोंट गिव फॉर द जिम इक्विपमेंट्स ऑल वाई, बिकॉज in the commercial place what will happen, the load of the weights and all will be in the kilos, 100 kilos like that. So they will think about the building damage, floor damage will get, they will get if it is on 4th floor, then 3rd floor disturbance will be there. For that purpose they won't get. But my owner has supported me. He told he is going to give me for the gym. Then I have started my gym. But even though I don't have that much money, even my brother and me, हम दोनों का भी पैसा मिला है तो बजट के बाहर ही जा रहा था. क्योंकि वो टाइम पे माई फादर एंड हिज फादर इज़ नॉट दैट मच फाइनेंशियली गुड ऑल्सो टू फिल्ड अप. देन वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड टोल्ड मी कि कोई पैसे देगा तेरे को, 5 लाख रुपए देगा तो सो एंड सो दिन दे दे, लेकिन उसके लिए कुछ सिक्योरिटी तौर पे तेरे को कुछ रखना होगा. ही टोल्ड मी. आई थॉट चलो ठीक है बोल के आई हैव टेकन ए गोल्ड ऑफ माई मदर. इट्स लाइक ए वेरी मच पेनफुल फॉर मी. आई टोल्ड माई मदर ऐसा कोई 5 लाख देता, बोला आई एम नॉट दैट मच मैच्योर इन दैट डेज ऑल्सो. चलो भाई पैसे दे रहा, एक भूख रहती ना, चलो अपना काम हो रहा बोल के. देन आई हैव टेकन माई मदर गोल्ड दैट इज़ लाइक सम 2 to 3 tola something. I don't know that value also. But what that person did, what he did, he calculated that weight and give me money according to that.
Okay.
1 lakh rupees. Then I feel that चलो जान दो, जो हुआ 1 लाख तो है. बट आई हैव दैट पेन कि मेरे मम्मी का सोना है, अब निकालना ही है उससे, इसको पैसे दे के रिटर्न लेना है सोना एट एनी कॉस्ट. अब उसके लिए मेरे को और मेरा स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ गया. देन आई विद इन द पीरियड ऑफ 3 months I have given him the amount and I have taken my mother gold and I hand over to my mother.
So after that again, like that was your first gym?
Yeah, that is my first gym.
How was your journey in that gym, in a sense, like whether it was an good attempt for you or else like it was a burden again?
It's not like a burden. Whatever work we did very hardly and very mind freely. Like as we love that work. As we are not working for others, we are working for ourselves. So we are very much happy. What we did, see, that time we used to have a 50,000 of rent. My gym rent was 50,000, one floor. I have a one floor in that days, 3 years back, 2017. 50,000 is like something big amount for me, very much big amount. अब 50,000 amount कहाँ से rent निकलता क्या? That is the first question. And after that electricity bill. Then वो सब जाने के बाद अपन को क्या बचेगा? Then what we used to do, we did not kept a worker for cleaning machines, washroom and all. What we used to do, one shift I used to clean washrooms and machines and all. And one time my brother used to do. We share a work that also. After closing time, we'll drop a shutter down and then we used to clean. क्योंकि हमारे पास बजट नहीं था तो हमारा एस्टिमेशन भी नहीं था कि हम काम वाले को अफोर्ड कर सकते, काम पे रख सकते. तो हम लोग क्या करते थे, हम ही खुद ट्रेनर के बाद हम काम वाले बन जाते थे, काम वाले बन के काम कर लेते थे पूरा, क्योंकि हमारे को काम करने की आदत थी एंड शौक़ भी था इस चीज़ का. तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं थी हमारे लिए. ऐसे ही 3 महीने 4 महीने कर लिए. जब उसके बाद हमारा रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा आया और हमारे पास ग्रुप क्लासेस भी होते, हम लोग ग्रुप क्लास लेते थे. ग्रुप क्लास का इन सेंस कि अभी जितने भी जिम्स है दे आर कमर्शियल जिम्स, वी आर नॉट कमर्शियल्स. हमारा शौक है ये, वी आर ओनर कम ट्रेनर. सो आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज़ 100% फॉर एज वेल एज फॉर द पर्सनल क्लाइंट एंड जनरल क्लाइंट. क्योंकि वो जनरल है तो उसको ट्रीट कम करो, उसको बताओ नहीं वर्कआउट, वो हमारा थिंकिंग नहीं है. क्योंकि ही इज़ ऑल्सो अवर क्लाइंट ओनली. पर्सनल क्लाइंट देर इज़ अ वर्कआउट डिफरेंट विल बी देर, बट guidance and 100% assurance will be there in the training. So weekly 3, we have a weekly 3 different classes, like Tuesday abs class and Thursday will be the flow workout and every Saturday there is a CrossFit class. The rest of the 3 days we are there to guide you. तो उस चीज़ में response भी अच्छा है. At a time 40 members को group class लेते थे. Then we have extended our one more floor. That time we used to also, it's the biggest gym in the Manikonda.
What is your main intention? Like, what is your why factor? I mean, like, why you're doing this? As you have now 4+, 5+ gyms. So why you started, in a sense, like, what is a major reason, in a sense? What is the why factor?
See, it's not like that I have come in the business field. Actually, I don't know the business also. I came here to give my service. I want to help people to change their lifestyle. They want to get a good discipline in the body as well as in the dressing sense, everything. Why? Because the body is the only one thing we need to invest in ourselves. Rest of the assets like your automobiles or your gadgets, mobile, cell phones, you are investing on them. You're just wasting money in there. You invest on your body so that later on you will get a good benefit. For that reason. And secondly, I have started this gym for helping the people to change their lifestyle. That's it.
So now, like, most of the people, what they think about gym is all about, like, if we go to gym, then we can improve our, we can say, they can gain their weights, or they can say they can build their muscles, or they can be like, they can decrease their weight. So according to you, what do you say that what should be the main purpose to come to a gym? In your point of view, being a trainer, that what should be a client purpose? What should be a client perception? That why he or she has to come to gym? Whether their goal should be like, because like what I wanted to say is all about, like, because most of the, we can say, youngsters, they are coming to gym. They will start the gym and they take a lot of supplements and all. As I was just going through a product which is so called Muscle Blaze, which is a famous brand. So, but in that, if you read a lot of reviews, there were few negative reviews also. I took this product and my liver got damaged and all, whatever it might be. So what do you say that why it happens basically?
See, I will tell you. See, example I can give you. See, my child is like 3 years old. Okay. I can't give him an education in my school home. I have to send him to school. Why school? There is a certain environment will be there in the school, so that they will get motivated and they will learn. As same like this is also school and college. Fitness center is like a school and college. It's an institution, and you will learn in an institution only. See, if some now people what they are doing, they are using YouTube. How much you will learn from the YouTube? You will get only guidance from the YouTube. That's it. But if you want to learn, you have to go to certain institute. Institute must be there for everything. If you are going for the spoken class also, there will be an institute. Same like the gym also is an institute to learn, to get fit, to be fit, and for that purpose. And secondary for the regarding supplement, these all are extra activities. If you are getting a good source of protein and good source of food from your kitchen, from your home, that is a good enough. This is like a easy made. And I am not telling that the protein is a bad thing or good thing. It's a source of supplement which is extra. Add-on supplement, that is, which will help you to develop your muscle, to grow your muscle. Everything has a plus and minus, negativity and positivity. See, if without proper guidance, if you taken any supplement, see, if you are taking food, apart from food only, if you are taking a protein shake, then it will be damaged. Seriously, it will be damaged for your excess of protein also will damage to your organs. That's the thing. There is a guidance will be there. According to that, you have to. If you take a simple crocin tablet also, there is a timing will be there, and there is a dose will be there. You have to take after food or before food, like that. And the same thing, protein also will be there. After workout, this much gram of protein you need to take according to your body weight. Okay. Without guidance, if you are just checking out with the Google and the YouTube, or simply add, just now you said some brand, I don't want to promote any brand, or I don't want to demotivate the brand. What I'm telling is that if something you are taking by the ad also, you need to get a guidance. Guidance is must. In each and everything we need to get a guidance. Without guidance, I too have learned from my seniors, and still I am learning. did not learn anything. I am still learning. That is the important thing. If you won't learn, if you directly attempt on that, you will get a failure only in that.
So what is the message which you want to give to the audience? It's not about only gym, it's not about only fitness, it's all about your life. As whatever the experience which you got till now, from your schooling to till now. So what you learned in your entire life, and what you want to give, give it to the clients?
First of all, I will tell you that I am in this position from zero to here with the support of my father. And first you need to respect your parents. Parents are your inner and external strength. And do whatever you like to do. See, do whatever you like to do, but in the right way. आपको जो चीज़ पसंद है, जिसमें आपका शौक है, वो करो. See, I have chosen engineering. इंजीनियरिंग ले लिया हूँ मैं, लेकिन इंजीनियरिंग में मेरे को जॉब नहीं मिली. तो आई हैव given interviews like 50 plus in all over Hyderabad IT companies, but every day I used to reject. Even my sisters, even my relative used to ask, अरे क्या हुआ इंजीनियरिंग इंटरव्यू दिया था ना, क्या हुआ जॉब? That is a very painful thing. Seriously, very much painful thing. If you won't get a job, you will get in a depression. But I am in a positive way. नहीं मिली क्या करते, नहीं मिली जाने दो. But I used to go regularly to the gym. एंड फाइनली मेरे दिमाग में यही चीज़ थी कि मेरे को अपना खुद का करना है. सो नाउ पीपल आर कमिंग टू मी फॉर द इंटरव्यू सीरियसली. एंड यू नो वन थिंग, whoever coming for the interview, no, I am not taking a cross question to them. If they are beginner, I am directly taking to them. If they are senior, according to their budget, I am taking them. But I am not rejecting them. I am giving a certain period of time. If I don't have vacancy also, I am giving a certain period of time. Better you come after 1 to 2 months, I am definitely going to take you in my new other branch or some other branch. But I am not rejecting them. Why? Because I have gone through that pain. What is rejection? If we won't support them, as a beginner, if we won't support them, how they will get it? We need to catch everyone's hand and support them so that they will grow in their life.
So it's been almost like 4 years that you started up your own venture, like?
Yeah.
So it's been 4 years and you have explored it to a level where no one did this. And we can say in entire, we can say in this area, no one did this. Like in a span of 4 years, you have approximately crossed more than 5 gyms, right?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
So thing is all about like, the only reason why Mr. Oasis is this successful, the reason is all about like, because whatever he is doing with passion.
Yes.
So mana andari life lo kuda manaki edaithe passion area అదొకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని దానిపైన కష్టపడితే ప్రపంచంలో 50 సంవత్సరాల్లో చేసేది 5 సంవత్సరాల్లో కూడా చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ హెన్స్ ఇట్స్ ప్రూవ్ హియర్ దట్ పీపుల్ लाइक 5 जिम लगाने में 50 years भी ले लिए, लेकिन आपने 4 साल में कर दिया. Reason is all about like because he is very much passionate. So out of this journey, this inspirational journey, what we learned is all about like do the thing in which you have interest. If you seriously want to be successful, if you're doing something in which you're just doing it for the money, then let me tell you, you're not going to be successful. You're just going to survive in your life. If you want to thrive in your life, then you have to be in a field in which you are passionate about. Well, this is Harish Reddy signing off. Thanks a lot to each and everyone. ఒకవేళ ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టు అయితే కామెంట్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ వెల్ లైక్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ ఇఫ్ యూ టాక్ అబౌట్ దిస్ టూ we can say personalities, they started their fitness, I mean like online journey also. ఒకవేళ మీకు నచ్చితే ఆ వీడియోస్ ఆ ఒక ఛానల్ కూడా నేను పెట్టడం జరుగుద్ది. ఒకసారి వెళ్ళండి, చూడండి. లైఫ్లో ఫిట్నెస్ కోసం మీకు జిమ్ చేయాలని బడ్జెట్ లేదు మీ దగ్గర ఒకవేళ అనుకుంటే, లైక్ వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చెప్పడం జరిగింది, బయట ఓపెన్ జిమ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి, బయట జాగింగ్కి వెళ్ళొచ్చు బయట. అండ్ యాజ్ లైక్ యాజ్ యూ సెడ్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ యువర్ ఓన్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్, రైట్? So that you have any videos like this that they can do workouts on their home also?
Yeah, we are working on that one. We will surely help them out that one.
Sure, that's the thing. So this is Harish Reddy. Thank you.